As the largest model from Sundance Spas, the Aspen has the highest seating capacity, with room for up to 8 adults. From the most Fluidics Jet variety available to illuminated grab bars that make it safe for everyone in your family to enter and exit the water. Our patented Fluidics Jets are crafted to deliver water in an oscillating motion without using moving parts. That means you can still enjoy the same stress-melting, tension-relieving experience years down the road. Silent Air Injector Jets not only introduce soft, skin-soothing bubbles into the water, they also diffuse the series-exclusive SunSense fragrance for aromatherapy. And when combined with adjustable jet faces, air control knobs, and massage diverters, you can always find the perfect combination of relief and relaxation. Only found in select models, the IntelliJet seat will help stress and strain disappear, focusing on your neck, back, hips, knees, calves, and feet. This full-body seat gives you precisely what you need to improve the way you feel. The AccuSage Therapy Seat is a customer favorite, giving you our deepest immersion massage experience. With 14 jet trigger points easing discomfort along your neck and back, and wrist and calf jets that help strain fade away, you can focus on those that mean most to you. A unique bench seat for two offers ample room for a side-by-side massage session. Whether you want to cuddle closely with your partner or enjoy casual conversation over a soothing back, hip, and foot massage, the bench seat has plenty of room for two. This model features diverse seat options that are designed to harmonize with your body, right down to your overtaxed feet. You can enjoy a powerful foot massage from any seat in the spa, thanks to the jetted footwell. Each and every element of the Aspen Spa is crafted to enhance your life so you can ease in, relax, and enjoy. Thanks to the upgraded MicroClean Ultra Water Management System and superior horizontal filter design, keeping your spa water clean is a breeze. Wet test the flagship Aspen Spa today and feel for yourself why it is part of the best-selling Sundance Spa series. To learn more, visit your local authorized Sundance Spas dealer.